Imagine trying to find something online without Google. No search bar, no suggestions, no quick answers, just silence. Hi, I'm Vineet, and today we're going to take a look at the evolution of search engines from Archie to artificial intelligence. In the early days of the internet, this was reality. People had to know the exact location of files to access them. There were websites, but no way to find them easily. The world needed a digital compass, and that's how search engines were born. So let's take a 10-minute ride through the fascinating journey of search engines from Archie to artificial intelligence. Wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're curious about how tech shapes our world. Back in the early 1990s, the internet was mostly used by universities and researchers. Thousands of files lived on FTP servers, but to download anything, you had to know the file name and server address. There was no easy way to search, only directories and guesswork. As the internet exploded with content, the world desperately needed a way to search, sort, and simplify. The first ever search engine was Archie, created in 1990 by a student named Alan M. Taj. Archie didn't search the web. It indexed FTP file names, making file discovery possible. Soon after came Veronica and Jughead, built to search Gopher servers. They were like search engines for the internet before the internet we know today. So what is Gopher? Before the World Wide Web took over, there was something called Gopher, one of the earliest ways people explored the internet. Didn't get it? Think of Gopher like a digital library. Imagine walking into a library where everything is neatly arranged in folders, books, newspapers, magazines, etc. Gopher worked the same way. It let you browse information online in a menu-style format. When you're connected to a Gopher server, you'd see a menu with folders. You'd click through menus to find articles, files, or documents. Instead of flashy web pages, you got plain text and simple structure. It was fast and light, even on slow connections. Using early tools like Veronica and Jughead, which helped you find specific topics inside Gopher menus. In short, Gopher was a text-based, menu-driven way to explore the internet content before websites and browsers existed. It was mostly used in universities and research communities in the early 90s, but it faded away once web browsers and HTML became popular. In 1993, the World Wide Web changed everything. Now there were web pages, not just files, and that meant a new kind of search tool was needed. ALIWEB in 1993 was the first web search engine where users submitted their sites. WebCrawler in 1994 could read entire web pages. Then came Lycos, Excite, InfoSeek, AltaVista, and Yahoo, which began a human-curated directory. In 1998, two Stanford students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, built something revolutionary: Google. Unlike others, Google didn't just count keywords. So what was its secret sauce? PageRank, a system that ranked websites on how many other sites linked to them. Simple design, lightning fast, and scary accurate. In no time, Google wasn't just another search engine. It became the search engine. So if you're enjoying this journey, now is a great time to subscribe for more stories like this. Even as Google grew, some countries had their own champions. Baidu in China, Yandex in Russia, Naver in South Korea, Seznam in the Czech Republic. The reason being, language, culture, and government policies gave these local search engines an edge. Microsoft didn't stay behind. It launched MSN Search, then Live Search, and finally in 2009, Bing. Bing introduced better image search, visual previews, and powered Yahoo search. It didn't beat Google, but it earned the second spot. As search engines got smarter, they also got noisier. Tracking habits, location, search history, it all raised privacy concerns. Then comes DuckDuckGo, StartPage, and Brave Search, engines that promised no tracking, no personal data, just pure search. Today, search is no longer just about keywords. It's about context, intent, and prediction. Google uses AI like RankBrain, BERT, and MUM to understand what you're looking for. Voice search, image search, and auto suggestions make it feel almost human. Ask your phone a question, it answers. That's not magic. That's artificial intelligence. So what's next? The future? Hyper-personalized search. Your engine may suggest things before you even think of them. We are moving into a world of search plus suggestion plus solution, all powered by AI and data. So what's your search engine going to look like in 10 years? Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this video interesting, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Because internet may change, but curiosity, that's forever.